Welcome everybody, I am Travis Helmka, and for those of you keeping track at home, this is week 4! Week 4 of my competition with Kate at the Headliner, famous Jersey Shore bartender and mixologist, and myself. We are bringing you awesome cocktails every week for 10 weeks, and then you, the people, are going to decide which one of us you like more as far as our different signature drinks are concerned and that kind of thing. And anyway, I am starting to feel the pressure. Competition's about halfway over, and I definitely want to do a good job for you guys. So, I'm making a cocktail that a lot of you folks have had before, and you've seen a bunch of bartenders make it a variety of different ways. I'm going to show you the real way, the best way to make an apple pie cocktail. And that is in a small rocks glass, which, Kate, it's so pretty. I've already brimmed with brown sugar. Kate, I'm getting serious. I'm telling you now, I've already brimmed the glass with brown sugar because I didn't want to have to do that in the video and then put ice in it, and yeah, it's a whole big thing. So, I'm going to show you how to build the cocktail, and we'll pour it in there, and it will be delicious. So, you're going to take a regular shaker, filled all the way to the top with ice. We are going to do just a couple simple ingredients, real easy. First one is going to be an ounce of premium vodka. We're going to do 1 ounce of Fireball. Now you guys love that stuff. And then the rest, you're just going to do about 3 ounces. You really want in a lowball glass like that of, this is Wawa brand, by the way, apple juice. Premium apple juice. And then just a little bit for flavor. You're going to do, not every bar has this, a little bit of cinnamon in there. There we go. Just for flavor, because that really makes it special. Shake it up. And strain. That is fantastic. Then just garnish with a little bit of powdered sugar on top, or excuse me, a little bit of cinnamon on top. You can see what that looks like. It looks fantastic. And that, folks, is an apple pie cocktail.